Turntable top high-frequency welding machine. Turntable top high-frequency welding machine equipped with imported double-tube fire flower protective device. High-frequency mold and production products can reduce the mold lighter rate to 90%. It is a 3-station disc machine, single operation, manual saving, manufactured by Genia Machinery Equipment Co., the manufacturer. Machine quality has passed the UC Quality Export Test, ISO 9001 machine quality testing. If you are interested, please contact me.